Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you 4 websites that you can train on HTML and CSS. If you are new to HTML, these websites would be the best for you. So the first one and the easiest one is jsbin. jsbin is an easy HTML and CSS editor, especially for new students. So let's type some HTML code in it. For example, welcome to my website, and your output will be saved here. You can also add CSS and JavaScript to it, but we're gonna pass now to the next one, which is codepane. Just tap on this square, then another website will be shown. Go and tap on build and test to start training. So you can type your HTML code here and train to get better. I will make a paragraph here. Hi everyone, welcome back again. Now I will close the paragraph and look at the output. Show me what I typed here, and you can also add CSS and JavaScript to it, and it's an easy way to train on HTML. The next one is jsfiddle. For a better use, go to setting and tap on this mode, and would be too easy to type your HTML code. Just run it and it will show you the output here. The last one is Doublet. Doublet is also so easy HTML and CSS editor. Now if you want to change the color of the background, just erase this below and type like red, or you can also change it to another one like yellow or green. It's also a good choice. Or you can choose gold. So the link of these websites are in the descriptions, and at the end don't forget to like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.